Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So today I think that I make a video about my village life. So let's start to the video. So in my village name is Shalokia, which is in the district of Kumilla, and village life is really beautiful and peaceful. I compare with city life, so it's totally different. Village life actually a peaceful life, a beautiful life where nature comes and meet with people, and where whenever you feel bored or you feel sick, that time people come to you and help each other. So that's the interesting things in village life. So in my village, we have a cow, and it's baby, and it gives us milk every day, and we use for it for our family. Actually, taking care of animals is really I enjoy. And another thing is that we have a land, small land actually, so where we cultivate different crops in the different season. So it helps our family really well. So whenever I get extra time, I just go there and I help to my father, right? So if I want to say something about my village in one words, it's really blessing from the God. So if you want a fresh, a peaceful place, go to your village and enjoy your peaceful life. So thank you. That's all from today. So if you enjoy this video, please like, share and comment. Assalamu alaikum.